Hi, I'm Kapil Aggarwal from Spaces Architects @KA. Today I will be discussing about our project J House, built on an unusual plot size of 38 by 48 feet, located in Jain Colony, northern part of New Delhi. The house is designed in a contemporary style of architecture with use of cutouts and open spaces to ensure visual connectivity between all floors and allow abundant inflow of natural light and air. Our client Mr. Jain wanted a 5-bedroom house with a brief to have a distinctive but a simple family abode. This northeast facing plot with an area of 1800 square feet is located in a densely populated gated community with properties being built on all the 3 sides. The house is built on 3 floors apart from the stilt, which is used as a parking and servants' room. A common staircase connects all the floors. The ground floor has a lobby, parents' bedroom with a washroom, and a dining which overlooks an open kitchen, apart from the drawing room and a small library which connects to the front balcony. A triple height on the northwest side is cladded with a rough Indian Gwalior stone which allows natural daylight through the skylight into the interior spaces and also connects the house at different levels. The house has been visualized as an expression of Indian modern and contemporary architecture with minimal material palette. All the walls are majority planned in monochrome and splashes of colors have been added with bright colors in form of artwork and furniture. The first floor has 2 bedrooms, a family lounge and a small terrace in front with a tree in the center. The terrace is a semi-open space with wooden louvres scaling up to the 2nd floor, creating a double height volume. The open step terrace on the northeast side allows maximum sunlight and ventilation deep into the house. On the 2nd floor, the house opens up to a big terrace garden which is experienced as an extended part of the lobby through sliding and folding doors. This terrace interacts well with the visual connectivity to the interiors and the terrace below. Play of light and shadow through skylight creates interesting patterns on the triple height wall. The bedroom with glazing connects through the cutout to the spaces below. The building facade is purely driven from the functions in the interior. A few blocks have been carved out from the elevation to accommodate multiple terraces, which in turn enhance the experience in the interiors. These terraces and balconies are covered up in a way to create cozy semi-private zones rather than having a direct sight from the street. Wooden and metal elements are custom designed to both create the privacy needed and also create the play of light and shadow. The major elements in the left part of the elevation is the staircase, which is treated in a distinctive way with abstract shaped roof. The house with its side constraint has been created with allowing ample sunlight and ventilation and with usage of greens enhancing the quality of living.